No, me check that Indian as a producer.
Via subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, one Dan is at it again. And this time he was outside performing in Tartola, British Virgin Islands. And I'm not telling a lie, people, Vybz Kartel deliver. One Dan delivered hits after hits. And the entire BVI accept him. The performance up a notch. It loud about the cloud our place, our part. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. No jokes. Talk truth no people. The boss energy was on point. And people right now me have a clip of Sean Storm and Sean Storm outside. And him a do a brand new interview you know people. And me not even gonna talk too long. But I forward another clip here and show you what go on.
First year, I advise something in the studio. Just in case you didn't know, am I like that space to the left? Just in case you didn't know, that space to the left. As the teacher and pull the door and fall and say, oh, I saw that getting at the song. But the song advice, man, pull the door around the place. Oh, am I like that? We really pull it down. Yeah, and that then the simple, oh, the Kartel put in the song. Okay, the song of this. One simple, oh, but would have never believed that my life changed my life. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we're boss. You know the respect of me, I feel. The love. So I'm not dead on camera close. Yeah, man, know that. Come on.
Give them a story, man. Gently at jail, man.
So people, that was Sean Storm outside on a brand new interview. I explain how him big bad hit song My Life changed him entire life. And people, Sean Storm never tell a lie. The clip the upper notch. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Duh, oh, oh. And right now, you know, people, me have a clip of Tommy Lee. And Tommy Lee, I give him fun them a story time, you know, people. Yeah, man. And me not even gonna talk to you long. We can forward in that clip and hear what the Sparta boss are going with.
Yo, man, Gently at jail, man, a knocky jump trip. Go on out there, walk up and I sell. Gently, boy, man, not jump for him, man. The one of them just take him out and say, pussy, I lock, jump for family. I'm moving from myself to look. Yo, that over, I got my other man in I sell you. You know I water them serve myself. You know I police them serve myself. Roll over me eye. Knock down him. And Gently, I knock he jump so. Wholesale, sir, what up in there and roll over here? I want him to say, no, sir. Because I'm going to tell one police and go crash the man, go crash the CMD. Man say, no, sir, tell me that over, man. I say, alright, that's what I believe. Just tie up my head, man, and I'm search wholesale and come down, man. I start knocky jump.
I'm a pussy.
So people, that was a clip of Tommy Lee giving his fans a story time. And people, Tommy Lee a real sample man in a real life, you know. The man say, me now is still a work, guzu. Tommy Lee, you're bad, you're wicked, you're mad, you're sick kid. No jokes. Talk truth to people. And right now we have a clip of Pretty outside on a radio interview with a big bad expensive style, you know, people. And I'm not telling a lie, it not spoil. And I'm not even going to talk to you long. We can forward in a clip and you are pretty I deal with.
Too tight, so my drawers are little. And my blouse is a fight for grab on for my nipple. Wash up me ass tonight, me want a boy this light tackle up in my middle. Come and make me ride you like a bicycle. Mind your damage just one mind your back this up. Wash up me ass tonight, me want a boy this light tackle up in me. Everybody else the bugs. Nipple them stand up and my drawers it sit down. Pa me ready for make it party buck. Every dollar bubble empty your Pepsi cup. Bubble up, bend your back like say you want sit down. Pa me, get up, back. I want something to keep bounce pan. I do my ass like me bounce ball. I'm a pussy too tight, so my jaws are little, I'm a blood.
Yo. Pull up. So people, that was a clip of Pretty outside on a radio interview with a big bad expensive style. And I'm not telling a lie, it not spoil. Pretty you deliver. The expensive style up a notch. It loud about the cloud. It bad. It wicked, it mad, it sicked, no jokes, talk truth no people. And right now we have a clip of Ching and Ching outside of one place at one party no people. And we're not even going to talk to you long. But me forward the night clip and show you what go on.
Well, Ching is officially in Montserrat right now.
and we are at the Plymouth. As you can see, the volcano right there. So I have to visit this side forward. If you look on all the houses where you see right there, so this was the first city before the volcano. This was the first city. Nobody lived there no more. All of them houses there, them half cover. As you can see, that's the top of them you see right now. So Chiching Ching is officially in Montserrat. People, that was a clip of Chiching Ching in Monster Rock. A good one history. And I'm not telling a lie. It's a good look. It's a big look. It's a great look. The clip is not normal. It's up a notch. It's wicked. It's sick. And right now we have a clip of MC Nuffy. And MC Nuffy is outside in BVI. And MC Nuffy just living best life for the people. And I'm not going to talk to you long. I'm forward in that clip and show them what I go on.
Not too long when I get there, you know. So take a walk with me, a coda, and a one letcher.
Pick up by starter, Gaza forever. As one done, the next one bad.
Fully Gaza, man.
So people, that was a clip of MC Nuffy in BVI living his best life. And I one thing with Nuffy, everywhere him turn up, it burn up. Everywhere him pull up, get shell down. The clip that up a notch, it wicked, it sicked, talk truth no people. And right now we have a clip of Godfather people. And Godfather has spilled some tea, you know. Yeah man. And I'm not even going to tell you what Godfather deal with. But before I did that clip, and hear what I go at it.
Bad man, me say me have to pin with Jaden. He kill her like a Cayman and spark in there too, blood. Yo, Jaden like a Cayman and spark in there. Alpha climbing on a donkey. Bad man, I force some bar Mrs. Money and fuck some of you. He dog sit down like so. And he dog look too dog. Me no position that. Like a ponytail for the donkey that two blood clot. Bad man, me never see nobody fuck so yet. Yo, Jaden said history, man. Jaden said history.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was a clip of Godfather clearing the air and getting a lot off of chest, and people will not tell a lie. Godfather really some people in real life, you know. Godfather, you're bad, you're wicked, you're mad, you're sick. What you say? A history that the one did have no name. And people, we never got to talk to you long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel performance in BVI. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Yeah man. I want to see all of Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, all of BVI fans them, and all of dancehall fans them. Spam up the comment section and let me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Cian, and I'm out.
CN Entertainment Review. CN Entertainment Review. Yeah, CN Channel Art. Dog, me say them eat art, CN Channel Art. Yeah, me say them art. The CN on the prayer. Don't know how big than I represent for CN Entertainment Reviews. What we have to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to him channel, like and comment and share to a friend. I be give you outside.